Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Sketch Materials is probably one of the most essential and versatile tools for any artist, whether you're a seasoned professional looking to refine your techniques or a beginner just starting your creative journey. These materials form the foundation of visual expression, allowing you to translate ideas from your mind onto paper with precision and flair. From the subtle nuances of shading with graphite to the bold strokes of charcoal or the vibrant possibilities of colored pencils, the right sketch materials can elevate your artwork and unlock new levels of creativity, making the selection process a crucial step in your artistic development. Number 5. Mr. Pen Sketch Pencils, 14-pack. Discover the perfect set of graphite sketching pencils designed for artists. This comprehensive collection provides the essential range you need to bring your ideas to life. Explore a wide variety of hardness levels, from the lightest 6H to the deepest 10B. This selection ensures you have the precise tool for every shading and detail. Whether you're writing, drawing, sketching, or hatching, these pencils are ideal. They are also perfect for professional graphic and artistic applications on various surfaces. Crafted with high-quality materials and manufacturing processes, these pencils offer durable and unbeatable quality. You can rely on them for consistent performance. The super bonded lead wears evenly, providing a smooth drawing experience. They are also easy to erase and sharpen, making your creative process seamless. What we like? This set offers a comprehensive range of graphite pencils, from hard to soft. It's perfect for artists who need a variety of shades for detailed work and smooth blending. If you're looking for a reliable set for sketching, drawing, and hatching, this is a great choice. What people say. The paper is thick and takes washes well without buckling. The binding is sturdy and lays flat, making it easy to work on. The texture of the paper is perfect for charcoal and pastels, providing great grip. Number 4. Castle Art Supplies Premium Sketchbooks. Unleash your creativity with our premium sketchbooks. Designed for artists of all levels, they provide the perfect canvas for your imagination. These sketchbooks are made to be your constant companion. With 100 sheets per pad and a spiral-bound design, they're easy to carry and use on the go. Our high-quality, 90 GSM paper is smudge-resistant and acid-free, ensuring your artwork stays vibrant and free from yellowing for years to come. Enjoy the tactile pleasure of drawing on paper that grips dry media beautifully. It offers the freedom to explore various mediums like pencils, charcoal, and pastels. Enhance your drawing abilities with our included tutorial. Learn to create impressive artwork and apply these techniques to your own unique style. Join over 2.5 million satisfied customers who trust our products. We stand by our quality with a unique money-back plus guarantee. What we like? These sketchbooks feature thick, smudge-resistant paper that's acid-free to prevent yellowing. The spiral binding allows for easy page turning, and perforated pages make it simple to remove your artwork. If you're a beginner looking to learn new techniques or an artist who values preserving their work, this is an excellent option. What people say. The paper is thick, it's really well made, and it fits easily in my backpack. The paper is rougher than printer paper I'm used to drawing on. That's supposed to be a good thing, toothy. The paper is perforated just in case I want to remove pages. The paper holds up well when erasing. Sakura Pigma ink does not bleed through when doing outlines, so I suppose the paper is thick enough. Really quality paper. Good texture and impressive stock. I had an accident when I was refilling a pen and spilled a refill's worth of ink onto the sketchbook, and to my amazement, other than a little that spilled over the edge, there was no bleed through on the following pages. Number 3. H&B 48 Professional Sketching Pencils and Drawing Kits. Discover the H&B 48 Professional Sketching Pencils and Drawing Kits. This comprehensive set is designed for artists of all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. This extensive kit includes a sketch pad, various types of pencils like graphite and charcoal, sharpeners, an extender, and erasers. It truly has everything you need for your sketch creations. Crafted from crude wood and TUV tested, these pencils are non-toxic and harmless. You can create with confidence, knowing they are safe for your well-being. Experience the difference with our firm and durable pencil leads. They offer smooth lines for writing and drawing, are easy to cut and erase, and are hard to break, ensuring a seamless creative process. Designed to be portable and lightweight, this drawing kit easily fits into your school bag. Take it anywhere inspiration strikes and draw from nature or your surroundings. Whether you're an art amateur, a college student, a beginner, or a professional painter, this sketching pencil set is the perfect gift. It meets all your painting equipment requirements. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to start sketching, from pencils and pads to sharpeners and erasers. It's designed to be portable, making it ideal for artists on the go. If you're a beginner or student looking for a convenient and complete art supply set, this is a fantastic starting point. What people say. Has almost everything you need minus a drawing board and paper. The case they come in is sturdy and well organized, and there are a wide range of drawing tools, a variety of pencils, sharpeners, eraser, sandpaper for sharpening, paper cones for blending, etc. The pencils feel great in my hand. Loving how dark I can shade pictures now. Number 2. For Candies Art Mechanical Pencil Set. Discover the ultimate art companion. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for drawing, sketching, and drafting with precision and ease. Experience flawless lines with our metal drafting pencils in 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9 millimeters. We've also included 2.0 millimeters holders for versatility. Never run out of inspiration. This set comes with a vast supply of graphite lead refills in various hardnesses and vibrant colors, ensuring you're always ready to create. Enjoy hours of comfortable use with our ergonomic anti-slip grips. Whether you prefer textured rubber or a sleek metal design, you'll have optimal control. Refine your work with the included kneaded eraser and sharpeners. They are designed to keep your leads sharp and your artwork clean. This is more than just a pencil set, it's a complete art supply solution for artists, professionals, teachers, and students. Elevate your creative projects today. What we like. This set focuses on mechanical pencils with a wide variety of lead sizes and hardness, plus a huge supply of refills. The anti-slip grips ensure comfort during long drawing sessions. If you prefer the precision and convenience of mechanical pencils and want a virtually endless supply of lead, this set is for you. What people say. The pencils are great and come with so many extra lead and even colored lead. This is a fantastic set of mechanical pencils, along with every possible accessory you could imagine. The case is sturdy, well organized. The different lead sizes work terrifically. I especially like the different color lead options included. The pencils are comfortable to use for long periods of time, which is good if you write or draw a lot, and none of the items are cheaply made. Number 1. NIL Tech 37 PC Professional Drawing Set. Master every detail with a full range of 37 tools, including premium graphite and charcoal pencils. These professional-grade materials are designed for technical precision in shading, blending, and fine-line drawing. This all-in-one set is the complete solution for serious hobbyists and students. It includes a sketch pad, sharpeners, blending stumps, and a ruler, ensuring you have every essential tool to master sketching techniques. Stay organized and creative on the go with our durable, zippered carrying case. This set is positioned as a practical and thoughtful gift for artists, providing an organized experience. Designed to help you transition from beginner to pro, this kit provides the essential tools and guidance needed to master advanced sketching and shading techniques. Whether you are focused on photorealism, cartoons, or anime, our curated selection offers the versatility required for any artistic vision. Experience high-quality performance backed by our commitment to your artistic growth. What we like. This professional drawing set provides high-quality graphite and charcoal pencils for precise shading and fine-line work. It comes with a convenient travel case and educational components to help you improve your skills. If you're a serious hobbyist or student aiming to master advanced sketching techniques, this kit offers the tools and guidance you need. What people say. The case is as good as it sounds. It's smaller than you'd expect, which makes it very portable. The canvas feels pretty durable, the zipper works very smoothly, and it even has a small loop for carrying. It also contains some extra elastic loops, so if you want to add other pencils or tools, there's plenty of room to grow. The various graphite pencils included are identified by a number-letter combination. That combination helps determine the softness or hardness of the graphite. This set includes a good variety of graphites for both beginner and experienced artists. The charcoal pencils included are great and really give dark, dramatic lines. Having the charcoal in the form of a pencil is much neater than a charcoal stick, and with a sharp, fine point can really allow you to get dramatic details in your sketch. The pencils are hex-shaped instead of round, makes it easier to create chisel points and to keep rotating your pencil as you draw. And the range of hardness blackness in the kit is larger than anyone would probably need. Plus there's a good selection of ancillary items, the chalks, blending sticks, sandpaper pad, sharpening blade and sharpeners, and of course the oh-so-necessary plastic and kneadable erasers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.